How's it going, Zay? How's practice been last couple of days?
It's been good. We've been really getting out there lately and getting our physicality back and really trying to cover up, figure out some things on defense and on offense as well, and making sure we don't turn the ball over as much as we did last time.
I say it's a certain type of player has done a lot of damage against you guys lately. Scott, Igbanu, Theron, Hunt. How do you guys go about maybe taking that type of player away? This time, I guess it would be a Chiwa.
Really, like we did, with the centers, try to do our work early, and especially at the fourth spot, we got to look at some things and trying to make sure we got to disrupt a lot of things with their offense, and they try to do a lot of ISO stuff. So we're going to try to show a lot of bodies and make sure we try to disrupt their offense more.
Coach, just talk about how there's still a lot to play for on the schedule. Is that the way you see it?
Yeah, everybody still got their hopes high. I mean, last game that was that hurt a lot, but we still got our hopes high, and coach is still motivating us, and he's still showing us that there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and that we still have a lot to play for.
Sellout crowd tomorrow. How excited are you for what the atmosphere is probably going to be like?
I'm actually really excited. To be honest, when it's XL is packed and it's sold out, it's one of the craziest environments, to be honest. So we're really excited for that.
Into the SMU game, it was you and 4 guards. What was it like playing in that sort of a little bit more open, fast-paced offense?
Yeah, it was super fast, and everybody's all over the court, and that's a defense that rotation that we like a little bit too, where everybody's just mobile and everybody's super fast and scramble out all over the place. So that was interesting, lineup as well.
What do you think you guys need to do better this time against Memphis to beat them?
Be more physical, be more poised, and be ready whenever they do traps, and just be ready and be more mindful and be more careful with the ball, and value every possession really, because we turn the ball over a lot, and if we would have cut down on a couple of turnovers, we would have probably won the game. So yeah.
When you say be more poised, what do you mean by that, or how do you go about that in a game?
Really, we get rushed sometimes. Especially when we try to run our offense, and they'll push us off of our sets, or they'll trap us. So mainly being more confident, and I think over time, especially with younger players, they get rushed a lot. So we just trying to work on being more ready for that. So we really practice that, emphasize that in practice, being ready to handle stuff like that.
James has had 3 straight 20-point games. Have you seen him kind of come into that and get calmer in that kind of situation?
Yeah, coach has been calling on this number a lot, and he's been ready for the opportunity, and he's been really confident lately. And he's been here getting extra shots up. He's been getting himself ready for those moments. So yeah.
This is unrelated to basketball, but the other night you were cooking with Ty.
Oh yeah.
What was that experience like, and what's Ty been like since the knee surgery?
Ty's been really good. I've been spending a lot of time with him, keeping the spirits high, and that's already one of my closest friends. So we hang out a lot, and he was just laying around. I just drug him out to a cooking class, and he was upset about it, but I drug him out of bed anyway. So we went out to the cooking class with Liv and Ivana, and so we just went out there with them, and we just cooked the whole time. And at first he was upset about it, but after we cooked everything, we got to eat everything, so he was happy at the end. So.
Make any pork chops?
No, it was an Italian night, so yeah.